Hey folks, clouds have hung around the valley most of the day today. Radar really going quiet now. What few light showers were out there earlier pretty much moving out, while some mist is still possible this evening. For the most part, it looks like the biggest part of this rain is behind us. And now we watch for some fog late tonight. Future track suggests that fog will show up midnight or so and then be patchy, but it'll be out there. And then by the time we get to tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., we're back to partly sunny skies. And yes, sunshine should return tomorrow. The other thing for tomorrow, though, is the wind's going to blow. A strong northwesterly wind, courtesy of a front that'll come through in the morning. So that wind's out of the northwest and gusts to perhaps over 30 miles per hour. Wind will die down tomorrow night, and then Saturday just looks gorgeous, mostly sunny without the wind. Low humidity, a chilly start. Looks like a nice day. So your rain chances the next 3 days are wiped off the map. Look at that. Dry, 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 dry. All the way through at least Sunday, and likely all the way through the next 7 days as well. We don't see much of a rain chance anymore after what we've seen the last 36 to 48 hours. Still some leftover moisture to the southwest, and that's why overnight tonight a sprinkle can't be ruled out. The big upper air low is going to slide across the top of us tonight, and with that the front will push through. So the system offshore moves away. Front comes through in the morning. Again, maybe some lingering clouds late tonight, early tomorrow. Can't rule out a brief shower during the overnight hours, but that should be the end of it. Sunshine takes over. The front moves away. That leaves us with just clear skies across the whole state of Texas on Saturday. Looks like a beautiful day, and Sunday looks just as nice, although the winds will be back out of the south on Sunday. Next front due in here late Monday will cool it off again for the middle part of next week, but it looks like it comes in with no rain. So again, our rain chances are pretty much fading quickly from the forecast. Temperatures should stay somewhat normal for this time of year. Here's where we are right now. 64 in Edinburgh, 70 in Rio Grande City, 66 in Harlingen, 64 at the beach. Overnight, we bottom out in the 50s, so a little cooler than last night. Our low this morning was 60, so a little bit cooler, 62 at the beach. And then tomorrow, right back up into the 70s again, but windy. That's the big word there. Again, that fire weather watch in effect. Northwest winds 12 to 25, gusting to over 30 during the daytime tomorrow. If you peek at the next 3 days, the normal high is 70. We're going to be 74 tomorrow. That front comes in tomorrow. The cooler air builds in tomorrow night, so we recover only to 72 on Saturday, which is real close to normal, really. For this time of year, that's what you expect. And we're a little above that on Sunday at 76. The record's way warmer than that. We won't approach those records at all. Traveling tomorrow, well, let's take a look. Maybe you're getting an early start to your weekend. San Antonio's sunny at 8 a.m. and 50 degrees. Houston's 56. A little cooler in Dallas, still some clouds, maybe a brief shower in North Texas early tomorrow. By afternoon, we recover. We're back in the 70s. Much cooler across the rest of the state, though. 50s in San Antonio and Dallas, 60s in Houston, 50s out in West Texas with plenty of sunshine out in that part of the state. At the coast, here is what's happening. Winds out of the northwest, 15 to 25 knots. Rough on the bay, moderate UV index. Gusty winds are likely tomorrow, gusts to probably 35, even 40 knots on the coast. Moderate risk of rip currents. There are the three tides. Seas kicking up to 4 to 6 feet. So for tonight, mainly cloudy. The rain goes away, but patchy fog shows up then. 56 for a low. Southeasterly winds all night. Then tomorrow the wind flips around courtesy of a cool front, so it becomes sunny and windy, maybe some patchy clouds, but for the most part sunshine. 74 for your high. That wind out of the northwest. 12 to 25, gust to over 30 across much of the valley. Boy, after we get those clouds out of here, look how sun takes over and stays in command all the way through the next 7 days. We keep temperatures in the 70s until Monday. Another front Monday cools it off a little bit for Tuesday, but still in the 60s, so still within about 5 degrees of normal for this time of year. By Thursday, back in the mid-70s once again. Big thing is notice those nighttime lows in the mid-40s over the weekend. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.